Things you hear about or cry about in the gym that do not matter. Volume. Volume, that's the topic. Volume. Volume is the topic. For whatever reason, people cannot get over arbitrary numbers. Mind, if you are training something 2 to 3 times per week, you have nothing to worry about. If you are training something with 4 to 10 sets per week, you are perfectly fine. You have nothing to worry about. If your sets are sitting between 3 to 8 reps, you have nothing to worry about. Just focus on progressively getting stronger, because if you are not getting stronger, it is highly likely you are not building muscle.
You're probably wondering what he was talking about in that video, but he was just debating how much volume you actually need to do each week to build muscle. What is volume? Volume is basically how much you train a muscle each week. So let's say 1 week you do 12 sets of chest, and the next week you do 14 sets, then you did more volume. And research actually suggests that doing more volume will actually build more muscle. You do need to train enough each week to build muscle. He argues though that what actually matters is progressive overload and how hard you train rather than how much you train. I'm somewhere in the middle, but let me explain. When I was a beginner in the gym, there was a point I was training 5 days a week, but I wasn't making any gains. The problem was I just wasn't training hard enough. So I started going closer to failure on my sets. I started increasing the amount of weight I was lifting, using proper technique, then I started to see some progress.